Today I'll speak in Croatian and write a short message, the kind you send to a friend or a family member. It's simple, warm, and full of everyday pronouns like ti, te, or tebi. Just listen, read the subtitles, and imagine you're the one writing this message. Danas pišem kratku poruku prijateljici. Otvaram bilježnicu i počinjem. Draga Ana, nadam se da si dobro. Znam da imaš puno posla, ali nadam se da ipak pronalaziš malo vremena za sebe. Ovdje je sve mirno. Vani je toplo. Drveće već cvijeta. Svaki dan idem u šetnju i mislim na tebe. Još nisam pročitala onu knjigu koju si mi poslala, ali hoću uskoro. Možda ovaj vikend. Nedostaju mi naši dugi razgovori uz kavu. Možda ćemo se uskoro vidjeti. Ako dođeš u Zagreb, javi mi se. U međuvremenu šaljem ti veliki pozdrav i malo proljetnog sunca iz mog kvarta. Tvoja Tihana. Pisati na hrvatskom nije teško kad misliš na nekoga. Jer svaka riječ ima toplinu, kao poruka koja putuje od srca do srca. Now you've heard the simple letter, but it carried everything. Feeling, rhythm, and connection. That's how Croatians use language. Close, human, never mechanical. So here's how to use this video for your learning. For pronunciation, read the message out loud with me sentence by sentence. For vocabulary, copy it by hand. Writing helps your brain remember words. For grammar, notice how te, tebi show connection. Nadam se da si dobro, mislim na tebe. For culture, feel how letters in Croatian always begin with warmth and end with hope. That's what my four-pillar method brings together. Grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and culture. So the language doesn't just stay on paper. It becomes part of you. If you'd like to explore this way of learning more deeply, join my free masterclass. You have the link to it below this video. In it, you'll see how every word you write or say builds your own Croatian voice. Vidimo se tamo!